Have you ever wondered what a 20,000 calorie burger looks like? Welcome to the gastronomic world of excess, where culinary boundaries are not only pushed, they're obliterated. Today, we're talking about a burger so notorious, it's earned a place in the annals of food history. The 20,000 calorie burger, folks, is not for the faint of heart. It's an audacious creation that mocks moderation and laughs in the face of dietary guidelines. To put it into perspective, an average adult requires between 2,000 to 2,500 calories a day. This means that our infamous burger packs the equivalent of nearly 10 days' worth of calories into a single meal. This isn't just a burger, it's an Everest of the fast food world. A challenge for those who dare to conquer it, a feast that could feed a small village or a wild story to tell at parties. It's the embodiment of indulgence, the epitome of gluttony. It's quite something. Now you might be asking yourself, how? How does one make a burger that is so astronomically high in calories? Well, it's not as simple as slapping a few extra slices of cheese on a patty or doubling up on the bacon. No. This burger is a meticulously crafted work of art, a masterpiece in its own right that requires careful planning, a selection of secret ingredients, and a process that's as fascinating as it is shocking. But before we embark on this culinary journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer audacity of this creation. Let's marvel at the fact that such a thing exists, that someone somewhere looked at a regular burger and thought, this could use about 19,600 more calories. In the world of food, there are dishes that nourish, dishes that comfort. And then there's this. A dish that defies reason, that stands as the ultimate testament to the phrase, too much is never enough. Now brace yourselves as we dive into the process of making this monstrous meal. You might be thinking, just what goes into a 20,000 calorie burger? Well, let's dive right into the gastronomical extravaganza that is this monstrous creation. This is a burger that scoffs at the ordinary, laughs at the mundane, and embraces the extreme. It's not just a meal, it's a challenge. A test of one's culinary courage, if you will. At the heart of this behemoth are several, and I mean several, succulent beef patties. Each one is a testament to the art of burger making, grilled to perfection and dripping with tantalizing juices. They're the backbone of this calorie-packed titan, providing a substantial amount of its heft. But what's a burger without cheese, right? And this one doesn't just have a slice or two. No, this burger boasts thick layers of cheese. It's a veritable cascade of gooey, melt-in-your-mouth goodness that blankets the beef patties like a comforting, albeit calorific quilt. And then there's bacon. Heaps and heaps of crispy, smoky bacon. It's not just an accompaniment here, it's a main player contributing its own unique flavor and a good chunk of the calories. Each strip is a crunchy, salty delight that dances on your tongue, making your taste buds sing in unison. Now here's where things get interesting. The secret ingredient, the piece de resistance, the element that gives this burger an extra calorie kick, pushing it into the realm of the truly outrageous. It's butter. Yes, you heard it right. A generous dollop of butter is melted and drizzled over the entire creation, giving it an extra layer of richness and a glossy, appetizing sheen. It's the final touch to an already extravagant culinary masterpiece. So there you have it. A burger that's not just about size, but also about taste. A burger that's as much a spectacle as it is a meal. A burger that's unapologetically indulgent, daringly decadent, and unimaginably high in calories. Now that we know what's in it, it's time to see how it all comes together. Creating a 20,000 calorie burger is no ordinary feat. Imagine you're about to construct a culinary skyscraper. The foundation starts with the mammoth of all patties, a secret blend of premium cuts of meat, weighing in at a staggering 5 pounds, is seasoned with a proprietary mix of spices and then grilled to perfection. This isn't just a patty, it's a meat mountain. Next, we venture into the forest of bacon. Yes, you heard it right. We're not talking about a few strips here and there. Picture half a dozen layers of thick, crispy, smoky bacon fried to a tantalizing crunch. It's a carnivore's dream come true. But what's a burger without cheese? And we're not talking about a few slices. We're talking about an avalanche of molten gooey cheddar and mozzarella, cascading down the sides of our meaty monolith. It's an ooey gooey spectacle that would make any cheese lover swoon. And then there's the bun, the crown and base of our edible edifice. It's not just bread, it's a custom-made giant brioche bun, lightly toasted and slathered with a special sauce that's a closely guarded secret. At this point, our burger is already a towering spectacle, but we're not done yet. We add layers of crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, tangy pickles, and sweet onions. Why? Because we believe in balance, even in the face of excess. Now picture this behemoth. It's more than a foot tall, weighing in at over 10 pounds. It's not just a burger, it's a testament to our unyielding pursuit of culinary indulgence. But wait, there's more. This colossus comes with a side of fries. Not your ordinary fries, but a heaping mound of hand-cut, double-fried potatoes dusted with a secret seasoning blend. And there it is, a creation that defies the norms of what a burger can be. A burger that's not just a meal, but a culinary adventure, a test of one's gastronomic mettle. There you have it, a burger that's more than a meal, it's a challenge. So, a 20,000 calorie burger, quite a spectacle, isn't it? We've taken a deep dive into the belly of the beast, uncovering the notorious burger that's causing quite a stir. The sheer mountain of ingredients that goes into this creation is something to behold. From the generous heaps of cheese and bacon to the secret spices that add that extra kick, it's a gastronomical extravaganza. However, let's not forget that this is no ordinary burger. With a calorie count that skyrockets to a whopping 20,000, it's more a novelty, an indulgence, rather than a regular meal. This is the kind of burger that's whipped up for those daring enough to take on the challenge, or simply for the thrill of it. But let's not lose sight of the bigger picture here. This should serve as a reminder of the importance of eating responsibly. Thanks for watching, and remember, eat responsibly.